It's raining two strokes and never out of fashion in wow. So I've done a lot of vintage motorcycles and scooters as well, and thanks to you guys for accepting this concept so well and encouraging me to do more of such videos. And in this video I have another two stroke, and this is a Grand Prix. Yes, this scooter is a Grand Prix 150, and I will see you guys right after this intro video to tell you more about that scooter. Wow, and welcome back to another brand new episode of Never Out of Fashion on Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. And today I have a pocket rocket with me. This is a Vijay Super Mark II Grand Prix 150. This is a super powerful Grand Prix version of 150cc two-stroke scooter by Vijay Super. So this is nothing else but Lambretta. So Lambretta gave license to various Indian manufacturers, and this was manufactured by Scooters India Limited, and everybody manufactured the same scooter in different name. So this was nothing but Lambretta but given different name, and Scooters India Limited named this as Vijay Super Mark II. And this is nothing less than a pocket rocket, because the gear ratio is so powerful that you completely enjoy riding this scooter, and this is just simply mad. And if you look at the overall profile of the scooter, it's so sleek. That tells you why that sleekness comes in this scooter. So I'll get you a little up close and personal with this scooter and show you little bits and bobs and tell you more about this scooter, and let's get a little close with this now. So this is a 1994 model scooter, and let's start from the instrument cluster. This reads from left to right, and the top speed reads 120 kilometers per hour. And if you come on to the left hand side, you have the gear shifting, and this is a 4-speed gear scooter. And if you come on to the right hand side, you have the high beam, low beam, that is this. You have the horn and you have the indicator as well. So this was the last series or the set of scooters sold in the year 1994, and only these came with indicators, and the models which were sold earlier to this never had indicators. Now let's look at the front profile of the scooter. This looks so awesome. So if you see, this is a Mark II version, and the difference between Mark II and Mark I is this bit. So the Mark I came with the stationed single panel unit, and in the Mark II you could move the front wheel easily with the complete mudguard, but then the Mark I wasn't able to do that. And the other beauty with this came was the indicators. So the last version, the last series was sold with indicators. And look at this scooter, how sleek is this. Let me show you a back profile of the scooter. Look at that, how beautiful this scooter looks and how sleek is this scooter. And here you have the famous vegetable basket or the fruit basket for all the shopaholics, and then that's the floor brake, and here's the kicker. Let's start this scooter and show you how it sounds. Now let's listen to the exhaust note of this scooter. That's the sweet note. So unlike the Lambretta, you do not have a knob here to unlock this panel. but you have a small hinge here which you pull it down and the entire panel comes out. And here's a look of the scooter without the side panel, and this is how it looks without the side panel. The side panel can be easily removed. There's a small lever on the side and you remove the side panel. And here's the fuel tank. So this comes with the key. You open it, and this is about 7-liter full tank and gives you an average mileage of 30 kilometers. And this is the fuel knob, so petrol on and off, and that's the choke. And that's all I had to show you guys about this scooter, this mini pocket rocket. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I upload. And during this lockdown time, stay at home, stay safe. Do not go out, guys. Have a good time. Until the next video, I'll say bye for now. Bye-bye.